Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I am getting ready for the Spring Open Garden, which is this weekend. And we were like going over our checklist, and I actually have to go out of town, so I'm not going to be here to do all the stuff this week. But this is a critical one, isn't it, David?
No, it's not critical.
It is critical, and that no one can pass by here.
Oh, that part is. I was thinking of the lights.
Yeah, well, I uncovered a bunch, or I found a bunch of light bulbs. We have a ton of light bulbs out, but I also need to give this a serious haircut. So that's what this video is all about. This is the weeping hackberry, Celtis sinensis, and it grows really rapidly, like several feet a year. And we are doing it, we're trying to grow it as like almost like a roof for this area, inspired by the J.C. Ralston Arboretum, but it's definitely not a zero maintenance kind of situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into time lapse so that you can see how we transform this area so people can walk through without getting claustrophobic. So I just want to show what a little bit of pruning has done to make it accessible. I also want to note, I didn't actually cut the electric line, but I apparently pulled them apart. Okay, there we go. Woohoo! Mm-hmm. But we do have a lot of light bulbs to replace. They've been out for, we did this in 2020. So it's a really fun area to be able to hang out. We did this because of COVID, but it's actually a really neat thing to have this tree growing up over where you would sit, and gives you a really neat juxtaposition. Well, we're really looking forward to welcoming people at the Spring Open Garden. And I hope little details like this will be noted and appreciated by people. And I definitely would recommend trying to create a garden room using some sort of weeping plant. And of course, the addition of cafe lights is always beautiful. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Hope you can come out to the Spring Open Garden.